Hey guys, thanks for watching GreenAutoTechnology. Who am I here with today?
Yeah, my name is Tim.
And Tim, you guys had a car that was running rough, and that was due to 3 out of the 4 cylinders working. The fourth one,
Low compression.
Low compression. What was the PSI at?
It's about 75.
75.
Yeah.
And you saw me put the additive in. Was that pretty quick and simple?
Yeah, that was really quick.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, it was impressive with the watch.
Yeah.
It was simple.
Yeah. Small syringe of just some white fluid, right?
Right. You stick the plug back in and you drive it for less than 6 minutes.
Yes, sir.
And we come back in, we run another compression test. It went from 75 to 125.
75 to 125 in less than 6 minutes of driving with 5 milliliters of Tribo-MAX oil additive. We've got it for every system. You guys have got to experience this. So as a mechanic, being able to do that for a customer instead of telling him that he needs a new motor, you think he'll come back?
Definitely, because personally, I would do it try it myself.
All right. Well, and the owner, Barry, picked up 2 more doses from me today. So he's going to give it a shot, and you guys can experiment with it and get back with me when you can.
Thanks for coming by.
Yep. Thank you, sir. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. You know, this happens every day. Stay tuned. I should have a new video every week as long as this guy tells people, well, unless you don't want to be in competition. They're going to have the best stuff in town. Thanks for watching. God bless.
Shazam.